Okay.
Oh, cool.
So this component of the weight is the restoring force.
The component weight sine theta is the restoring force of the mass.
What is it trying to restore
What is it trying to restore to?
The middle.
Right. This is called equilibrium.
It's trying to restore to the middle, which is the equilibrium.
Was that supposed to be a straight line?
Yes.
No, I was just wondering, because... Sorry.
Alright, so this force right here is going to bring it back here, but the velocity will make it go further.
Due to velocity, it'll pass equilibrium and go in the other direction.
So then, wait, oops, I didn't roll that right.
Was it supposed to be on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna ask.
So here's weight cosine again.
So that one's weight cosine,
That means weight sine.
that one's weight sine, and then it's weight theta. So it's just the same thing flipped.
Right. So just keep going back and forth like that. Right. Of course, there is a formula.
Of course, there's a formula.
What's that stand for?
What is that?
What?
Period.
I have a question. And I asked it last time, but I don't think you heard me. What about torque?
About what? Up here?
The T.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, I think you're right. That's torque. You have to draw it with that.
Okay.
You're right, it's not a fancy T,
Okay.
I guess. They're both with a T.
Miss Powell, but I'm confused. Why can't we use like P for period and like make it like
Because that's
like
momentum.
cursive like we do with the T?
I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know where the origin of that
I don't
was.
understand why. It's so confusing.
Alright, what do all these things stand for?
What do all those things stand for?
So this period. What do you think?
Is that the length of the string? I know, now I feel like I should not too loud. Like I'm doing it out of respect for something.
Let's do a problem.
We're gonna do a problem. I never know how to say it, so I feel like a robot. But oh well.
I'm not so sure they could hear any other way. You
No,
know,
I have no idea.
Is it recording?
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
there's the green light's on, but is the red light blinking
Yeah,
on the?
yeah it is.
Oh,
It says recording.
good.
example.
Example.
The length of the pendulum.
The length of the pendulum equals 25 feet.
Oops, sorry. It's 2.5.
2.5 feet. We were wrong. Find the period. So just pretty much plug and chug.
You sound like a math teacher.
Trying.
What do I use for G?
What do we use for G?
Oh, 32. 32.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Sorry. No, I forgot.
Do you want us in terms of pi or just
can just
include
move
pi
this
in
up.
it? So,
I'm probably fine.
I got 1.8.
Tippy tap.
1.8.
I got 1.8.
Tippy tap away. 1.8 seconds. She just heard it.
If you were in a spaceship
If you were in a spaceship
and unconscious,
and unconscious and unconscious
and you landed
Oh.
on a distant planet,
and you landed on a distant planet
and you didn't know what planet it was,
and you wouldn't know what planet it was,
you can find out
you can find out
by using your pendulum.
by using a pendulum on your spaceship that you
the
carried
gravity
with you.
would be
Amazing.
The gravity.
Could you say that one more time?
This is the whole problem. If you were on a spaceship and you were unconscious and you landed on a planet, you wouldn't know where it was, but you could find out the gravity using your pendulum in your pocket. So let's do it. No.
I didn't even get there.
Alright, so here's the
Oh
pendulum.
no.
So that's the pendulum on the different planet.
And I use less than 20.
And fate is still less than 20 with your angle.
And the period that you calculate.
And your calculated period is torque. 1.84 seconds. And the length of your pendulum string is 0.75 meters. What is the gravity on the distant planet?
Annabella, could you divide 1.84 by 2 pi?
I'm gonna get 2.9.
Oh, I got.
Can you plug in for Aldo?
Wait, you got 2.9?
Yeah.
Oh,
Anyone else get that?
I got 0.29. I mean, I could be wrong.
Yeah, that's what I got too. 0.29.
Okay, check it, Annabella.
I was wrong.
1.84.
Can you see everything?
1.84 divided by 2 pi.
Oh, okay, I guess I just had to put it in parentheses, but yeah.
Oh yeah, try parentheses always. Square both sides. Annabella, square 0.29.
8.4.
Is that
Wait.
right? It sounds a little high. 0.29
Yeah,
times 0.29.
0.29, not 2.9.
Oh, yeah, see, my brain is failing me.
It's okay.
It's 0.08.
How do we solve for g when it's in the denominator?
How do you solve for g when it's in the denominator?
You can multiply by 1 over 0.75 on both sides, right?
Okay. And what happens to the g then?
It will just be alone, isolated.
You do the top one divided by 0.08.
Yeah, so multiply by g.
So multiply both
well-
sides by g and then divide 0.75 by
Oh,
0.08.
So that's not right.
9.4
Okay, not bad.
meters per second.
Now we know the gravity.
What is it, Molly?
She said 9.4 meters per second.
Does anyone get that? All right, 9.4. Has anyone got anyone
Can
see
confirm it.
what planet has that as its G? Can you
Mars.
look it up on your
Is it
phone?
Mars?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
Only Miss Fowl will pull out their phone and find the planet.
They're very useful in physics, you must admit.
It's the front page of the book.
I couldn't find that.
Oh, is it? I didn't know that was
I
in
couldn't find
Well, I
the
don't know
G.
if that is, but I know the planet
the masses of the planets in front of us.
Sorry.
Sorry. Look closer, I didn't see the G, I thought it would be here too. Anyway, did you find it, Brenda?
Which planet has the gravity of 9.4? I feel like we've done it before.
9.3.
What's that?
9.35 times 10 to the 8th is.
Not times 10 to the 8. It's not times 10 to the 8.
You said
We're on Saturn's little brother.
Then I have no idea.
It's so funny because you're not in the video.
I don't want to be in the video. I don't want to
What
see
is
my
it?
face.
Tell her we're looking up what planet has this as its gravity.
We're looking up which planet this is on Brendan's phone.
What was it, 9.4?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or s-
No planets have that.
Well, what's close?
Earth.
What's what's Venus's?
Don't let Mrs. Armstrong watch this video.
We're on the
It is
distant scary planet.
8.87.
That's probably it.
And Uranus is 8.87.
Oh.
Okay. We'll say it's
So we're
Venus.
either on Venus or Uranus. One or the other.
Venus.
All right.
Or Earth, the distant scary
Does
planet.
anybody have a grandfather or a grandmother clock?
Does
Yeah, I have
anyone
one in my
have?
house.
It's been 11 minutes.
Yes, and
Okay.
mine
Oh.
goes off like every 15 minutes and it's a horrible sound.